December 8, 2021. I'm Jesus Cameros. We want to kick off today by celebrating National Brownie Day. That's right, warm, chewy, and rich. A nice chocolate brownie is the perfect dessert to end your night with. Now an inspirational quote. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. And now the weather report with Axel Rivera.
Today will be a high of 64 degrees with a low of 53 degrees, bringing some cloudy skies in the morning that will make some room for a sunny day. This afternoon with some light wind. Now back to the studio.
To continue with the news, it's Fun Fact Time!
What vegetables do librarians like? Quiet peace.
Don't forget our monthly habit is put first things first. I spend my time on things that are most important. This means I say no to things I shouldn't do.
I set priorities, make a schedule, and follow a plan. I am organized and practice living the Ascot way by living out the roaring force. Be responsible, be respectful, safety first, and keep it clean.